There are so many little details tucked into this journal, and over the next several weeks, I'll be sharing every one of them with you. Together, we'll build the Regency Collection Journal, one page, one project, and one idea at a time. I'll share my creative process, the techniques I use, and the little design decisions that help bring each page to life. Some projects are simple, while others are a little more involved, but each one plays a part in creating the finished journal. Whether you're creating along with me or simply looking for inspiration for your own journals, I hope you'll enjoy the journey. So let's turn the page and see what we're creating today.
Hi everyone, happy Monday, and it's August. I promised in July that I would have another series coming up for the month of August. And I am so pleased to introduce to you guys the Regency Collection Journal. If you remember the Regency paper dolls, or if you've seen them, you will know what I am talking about. A little while ago, I made a lady and a gentleman Regency paper dolls, and they inspired me so much because by doing the research for their clothing, I came across so many different things, and then I had all this stuff that I wanted to incorporate in it, and I want to share this with you guys. So I don't know where to start. So I have a full kit, 28 pages that kind of accompany the lady and the gentleman. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse. Look, let's browse through the journal because the journal is finished, and I want to show you what I have done. So let's just get started. So I'm going to untie the bow and remove the ribbon, and let's get started. Let's take a look at the cover to start with. The cover has been made out of a soft material. So I used a piece of upholstery fabric, put a hanky on top of that, some just plain cotton fabric, and then an old vintage doily over that. Why not, right? Then I added a piece of the kit, which is a frame, added some hanky in there, and put a bow that I made during Mass Make March. That is the cover of my journal, and it is soft, and it kind of molded itself right around the journal. The journal itself consists of two signatures of 13 sheets each. So that turns into each signature is 13 sheets of paper times 4 is 52 pages. So it is a 104 page journal, and I'll show you what is all in it. The pockets are completely stuffed now, so she is chunky. So here is the paper doll, and you can lift up her skirt and see her shoes right here. I put some of this in there, and we'll just browse through what is all here. So this is a pocket, and most of the things in this journal all have videos on it. So I'm not going to explain too much on it because every day there will be a little video where I'm explaining what I am doing. So this is more to show you what is here than to explain everything that I have done. As you can see, there's lots of still space left, but and the pages are neutral and a gray blue. So I'm really not going to explain a lot on what I have created because it is all in the videos that are coming up for the month of August. Oops. This is not a video. I've added some things in that I've created before. So there is a video on this, but not for this month. And there's lots of space left to add different things. I just remembered I have another pocket here. So there's lots of pockets, and there's lots of pockets that don't have anything in it yet. And there's a lot of storage space in here. The back is exactly like the front, with the doily just kind of draped around it, and it's completely hand stitched. I completely hand stitched the entire cover together. So there is the whole journal, and you are seeing this now, and every piece has been done on camera, or most of the pieces have been done on camera. And so let me show you what the kit consists of so that you can come and play along with me for the month. Tie a bow in there again, and she holds together really nicely. So you can see there's a lot. It's a chunky journal, but she's not like, it's not crazy. You can do a lot with this. So here is the Regency collection kit. So what I've done is I have scanned a bunch of hankies, and I'm going to zoom you in so you get more view. So I have a whole collection of vintage hankies, and I have scanned them so that you can also use them in your journal. So that is the first few pages are all vintage hankies. If you're looking at it really closely, you can see the tears in the hanky. These are handmade handkerchiefs. And it still looks like linen. It just looks beautiful. These are just backgrounds that I've made, so you can actually fold these in half and put them into your journal and you have a page. Or you can take them apart, you can cut them apart, and then you have different elements. Some of the pages I've kept them whole, and some I've given you half pieces. This is actually my own work. So this is a page that I made, and I coffee dyed it and added rust water to it, and it just came out absolutely stunning. And this is a watercolor wash, so I thought they were beautiful. And these are gel prints that I've made that I decided that they would be beautiful for in this kit. Right there. And then I have a whole bunch of pages that I've put together where we've got Thomas and his wife and other images from like vintage catalog images. These are vintage catalog images, and you know, a letter from the Regency era, documents from that era, handwritten, not handwritten. And then I created a bunch of Tim Holt style paper dolls for you to play with. And these are vintage paper dolls from the catalogs. And then I created a wardrobe. So this is the outside. Then there's the doors. And the inside of the wardrobe. Some frames, some beautiful frames. Furniture. A desk. These are reticules that I've turned into pockets. Journal cards made out of cameos. And of course, there's a bunch of tags that I've created. So that is the Regency journal, our Regency collection journal kit. She is available in Ko-fi and in Etsy, and we will be using her the whole month of August. And it goes with the paper dolls that I had created for the Regency collection, the 2 Regency dolls, right? Thomas and his wife. So here is the lady. Thomas, where are you? And here is Thomas. And Thomas is a very dapper looking man. So I built both of these on camera during a live, and I showed you exactly how to build Thomas, because there is a little bit of a trick to it. but it is fully explained in the video. So every day I will do a 15-minute to 30-minute video for the month of August, and I will be doing a couple of pages or a page or a piece of ephemera for this journal. So you already know what it looks like. When you see me starting tomorrow, I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. So this is where I've ended up, but we are going to start right at the beginning. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Monday, and I hope to see you tomorrow for the first video of the Regency collection journal. Have a great day. Bye.